Hey you guys, back with another video. Today I'm about to make me a corned beef sandwich, Sioux style. Here's my corned beef, and here's my provolone. So let's get started, you guys. Okay, you guys, I put my corned beef in the skillet to warm it up. You can see the juices and everything coming off of it right there. So I'm gonna let it cook on. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys, this corned beef about ready. So I'm gonna add my provolone, cheese on top, and let it melt. Okay, so I'm gonna add my provolone, you guys. So I'm gonna let it melt. Let it melt, you guys. In the meantime, I got my bread here. Okay, you guys. Okay, my corned beef is all done, you guys. And I put me a dill pickle on the side. And this is my provolone once again. This is the corned beef that I use. I get this from Kroger. Okay, it's not over there with a regular lunch meat. It's over there basically in the deli section. Okay, so if you're looking for this, make sure you go to the deli section. Not over there where a regular lunch meat be at. And this is my favorite chip here. And I'm going to have some kettle cook on deck right there, you guys. And for my dessert, a peach pie. Okay, so let me plate this up. Cheese. Okay, that's my pickle on the side. And this the mayo I put on it. I'm going to smash it down. Hold on, you guys. Okay, you guys. Everything is all done. This my kettle cooked chips, my dill pickle. And that pickle choked me, you guys. And look at this cheese pool on deck. My corned beef sandwich right here, loaded with cheese. So, let me get started with eating my lunch. Can't forget my peach pie, you guys. And I thank you guys for watching. And bye-bye for now.